Scott Phillips from Motley. Scott, good evening to you and Mesoblast, a big winner today.
Tomo, good evening. It certainly has been, and this has been something of a roller coaster stock really for the last 18 months. It was $1.30 back about 18 months or so ago. Then there were hopes that Mesoblast may be able to cure COVID. Shares jumped up to above $5, then back to $1.78 before the recent move today. So it's been all over the shop. There is some concern, I think, or some hope that maybe it's finally turned the corner, that maybe there's something better to come. Also, a broker upgrade today helped those shares.
OK, now Chris mentioned WiseTech jumping 6%, but there were quite a few other growth stocks moving higher as well.
Yeah, that's right, as Chris mentioned. There was a broker upgrade again from Macquarie for WiseTech, something of a theme today. But also, as you mentioned, a general view, I think, that maybe some of these tech stocks, these growth stocks, have been left behind by the market. It's a view I share. I think the market got way too overexcited about the return, the recovery of cyclicals. That's been true, by the way. The businesses themselves are doing really, really well. But when you're selling down some of these better growing names, including Afterpay, as you mentioned, to fund that, I think you've probably overdone it. And I think the market might be realising that today.
OK, now on the data front, we had the NAB Business Survey out today, and it was more good news for the economy.
Yeah, it's nice to be delivering good news almost every night at the moment, Tomo. It's a fantastic result from this particular business survey. Business or trading conditions were up another 6 points. CapEx hit a record high. Business profitability up strongly. Employment up. Really almost across the board, businesses are reporting better conditions and better confidence as we go further into 2021.
Scott, there are also figures out on bank lending showing more Australians are taking on risky levels of debt.
Yeah, this is probably the other side of the recovery, Tomo, and the other side of lower interest rates, of course, that have helped fuel that recovery. We've seen a meaningful increase, about a 10% increase in the number of people borrowing more than 6 times their income to buy a home. Now, we don't begrudge anyone getting a home. When you're taking on that level of debt, you do go into the more risky side of things. And about 1 in 5 loans now is in that risky 6 times income category. It may yet stir APRA, the banking regulator, to start to put in some more rules about who can lend, how much, and to whom.
OK, it is a concern. Now, what are you seeing coming out of Wall Street tonight?
Well, a good day for us on the ASX today, and hopefully a good day for the Americans tonight. Currently, the S&P 500 futures up just under 0.25%. Hopefully they can hold that tonight, and we can get off to a good start here tomorrow.
Fingers crossed. Scott Phillips, thank you.